So I have this Sig Romeo Zero optic that I got. Pretty cool. There were a lot of mixed reviews on this thing, but I got it for $60. So I was like, firstly, I don't even know how my eyes will be with an optic, so it doesn't make sense that I go spend $300-400 on one and then find out that my eyes don't like it. So I got this one for $60, and I can see the dot. It's pretty decent. So for my first introduction to pistol red dots, I guess this is good. And just, for safety purposes, again, sorry to flag you guys, but it's completely empty. No magazine in there. 100% safe. So here's a little canik carrying case thing. I mean, yeah, well, it is a carrying case because it has tools in there that you can hear rattling around. But you take the star point thing and you remove the, it's actually probably easier to use. This thing, just spit it out with my hand, but boom. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these screws or the ones that came with the optic, but yeah, these ones have like a little locking washer in there that is very tiny, and I'll try to show you guys. But yeah, and sorry for low-key flanking you guys, but let's see if I can show you guys this locking washer. You guys can sort of kind of see it on there, but yeah, that's off. And then the stock plate thingy should pop off. Ooh. So you lift that out. There's oil under there, so yeah. Okay, I almost dropped. There's a locking washer in there. But yeah, so I'm going to set this thing down into the groove. It looks good. Let me see. So like, the sights are kind of lined up. Well, they are lined up, but like, yeah. Maybe it has to go up a bit. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah. Before we put that one down, let's see. Maybe it's the other plate thing. That goes down here. And then let's pop this up. This thing is actually supposed to come with like a piece of tape with the holes cut out, but I just used electric tape and cut it. And it seems to be decent. Let's see how this one is. So I put the other plate on. This one has like 2 ridges, and this one has just the one. So I don't know if it's like a preference type thing or what, but I don't know. I'm going to try the other one more again. Oh no, that's backwards. So we'll go like this. So this one pops down in there like that. The optic sits down like this. I'm guessing this one, it seems like this one is the better way to go because it's like tucked down in there. the height seems a little better with this one. So the one with 2 ridges is the one that I'm assuming you use. Let me just test and see. No. So there are like, so let's, give me a quick second to get these screws out. So the screws that come with the Optic have like a thick part around the top versus one that come in the mount for the canik itself with the locking washer on there. So you guys can, hold on, so you guys can see the difference, hopefully. But yeah, it has like a little bit of thread locker on there, but I'm going to use some of the blue medium strength one for right now because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this thing on there or not. I do have to test it, so I'm going to put a little bubble of thread locker on there, nothing crazy. And again, this is the medium strength one, not the red one, which is like Permatex or whatever. Or, well, this is, the brand is Permatex, but the red one is like the more permanent one. And then there is a Allen key, so we're going to use the Allen key and start this one. Or try to start it, see if it goes down. Because maybe it doesn't work. Let's see. Nope, I don't believe that the thread pitch is the same. So pop that one out and grab the stock one that came with the pistol mount thingy itself. And nope, gotta take the locking washer off. Yeah, and there's already thread locker in the hole. So let's see. You guys can see I almost did a really rookie mistake by putting my finger in the trigger hole, but yeah. Oh, well, this doesn't go down on there. So let's again try this thing that came with the Optic. So it's not a reverse thread or anything. Okay. Oh, so I just had to like push it down and then it went. Okay. So you just have to put a little bit of force behind it and then it'll slide down. So you do use the one that goes with, that comes with the Optic. So you just gotta add a teeny little bit of force like that. And then you'll hear like a little noise of it like accepting itself down into there. Then it'll go. So I'm going to tighten them down little by little on each side. It doesn't seem like it's catching any threads. Odd. Maybe I just gotta keep going down, so we'll see. Let's see. Holding the Optic thing down now. Yeah, it's just kind of like free spinning. So give me one quick second and I'll get back. Okay, so I got it to work now. There are 2 larger screws in, or thicker screws in the canik like thing. So you take them out and you use them. It uses the bigger star head point. Hopefully you guys were seeing that, but I'm going to show you guys. It's the slightly larger ones. So it works now. it's like I'm pulling on it with all my strength. Can't do it. Let's see. So for the Optic itself, it's easy to rack the slide by holding it. It's another reason I wanted it, because I have very, very soft hands, and granted, I do a lot of stuff on cars. Like, it's a little harder to pull on the serrated edges of the thing, of the slide, but the Optic itself is polymer, so boom. And we're about to test and see if it fits in the holster, but just from the looks of it and everything, like, this is really cool looking. So yeah, give me one quick second and we're gonna test it in the holster. But yeah, these are definitely not optimal for carrying, but like, you guys can sort of kind of see it now. The Optic does fit in the case, so you're able to carry. Boom. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and it gives it just like a better overall, like, more tactical look. And then with the other things I have coming, I'm gonna really suit this thing out, because the Met Pro is out, so I'm going to not EDC this one after I get that. I'm going to make this one more of like a range toy. So yeah, I need to definitely tighten my track pants before I ever even consider carrying it like this. But yeah, that's just for demonstration purposes. Well, my shirt gets stuck in here, but yeah, that's great. So yeah, next video will be me testing this thing out at the range, and like, just from the looks of it, just trying to acquire the dot with two eyes open, it's seeming like it's making it a bit easier, because I have an astigmatism, so like doing with both eyes open is kind of hard, but like now it's a lot easier to acquire the sight, because I have the reference of the dot. And granted, it's not like super crisp because I have an astigmatism, but it definitely does make it seem as if I can acquire it better. So what I'm going to do is bring this thing to the range and test it out. So maybe I'll go this weekend, maybe I'll wait until I get the rest of the parts, but for now, this is definitely great. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as I always say in my car videos, drink water, motherfuckers.